Building a business is tough enough, but struggling with disconnected systems only adds to the chaos. Salesforce consulting partner Fast Slow Motion helps growing businesses implement and enhance Salesforce to tame the chaos and keep the focus on what really matters. Fast Slow Motion leverages its deep business expertise to pinpoint the problems that are costing you time and money. Develop a plan to solve those problems and set the stage for continued growth. Fast Slow Motion initially seeks to understand your business's unique strengths and challenges. You then partner with a team of certified Salesforce experts with a dedicated project leader to take next steps forward. You'll have weekly check-in meetings with full visibility into every task in the project, plus written status reports. Fast Slow Motion uses a hybrid agile approach to efficiently execute projects. Iterate quickly until the desired outcome is achieved, and deliver rapid ROI. The initial engagement usually lasts 1 to 3 months, during which time Fast Slow Motion will equip you to manage Salesforce independently, with the option for ongoing engagements as needed. At every step, Fast Slow Motion's team of experts will partner with you to execute on your biggest, boldest ideas, no matter how complex. Learn more about Salesforce consulting partner Fast Slow Motion on AppExchange.